Hello YouTube slash tech tech world blog readers. Today I'm just going to show you how to make this effect in Photoshop. Now the name of this effect is a multicolored spectrum, and it's great for like banners, like backgrounds for websites, layouts, whatever you need it for. So the first thing you want to do is go to File, New, and I'm just going to set my document, sorry, Scottish slang, as 800 by 600 because, well, it's good enough. It's just for the purposes of tutorial. Now, unfortunately, since I've got enable AutoPan on Cam Studio, it looks like it's just a big white box. So that might become a bit of an issue, but it still works. Alright. So the first thing you want to do after you've made your new document is go to Gradient, click on the gradient, just double click on it to bring out the gradient editor. Now, it doesn't matter what gradient you have, just change gradient type from solid to noise. This is quite an important part. Now, and it doesn't really matter what colours you get, is just as long as it isn't has the same colour for ages. So I'm just gonna click randomize again, because that's like dark at places and very light at others. Yeah, I'll do. Right, we'll click OK. But bear in mind that it might look a little different from mine, but that doesn't really matter. It looks about the same. You get the same effect. Right, now what you'll have is this effect. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go to Image, Adjustments, Use/Saturation. Bring the saturation right down. And then the next thing you want to do is, if your gradient thing's still open, just go back and double click to get to the gradient settings. But if it isn't, just click on your gradient tool. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is go to the multicolored, it's called, the gradient's called Spectrum. What's that word? Oh yeah, it's just Spectrum. I'm not going to bother trying to figure out the words during this video. Sorry about that, I'm on the TeamSpeak server. Now you want to click on the multicolored one, but you want to make it so that you're going to make it so it's the one with the red at both ends, not this one with the transparency at both ends. And what you're going to want to do is set your gradient to 30% opacity. Now we go to the where the toolbar is. You don't go to the edge of the document, you go to where the toolbar is. Stretch it over, and then you go to the other edge of the document. You don't go there, you go to the other edge of the document. Now you go back to Image, Adjustments, Use Saturation again, and bring the saturation up till it gets about that. Actually, I'm going to bring it up a bit more. Yeah, about that. Actually, I'm going to step backwards from that. Sorry. So, just step backwards if you've done the exact same as I have, sorry. Go back to the same thing again if you've done the same thing that I have. And bring the saturation up. That'll do, I suppose. Actually, no. I'll bring it up a bit more. Alright, that will do. This will do. So, set it to plus 57%. Oh, plus 57, sorry. Go back to the double click this again, go back to the gradient editor and click foreground to some transparency. Now what you're going to want to do is make sure your foreground colour's at black so that you get the right effect. That's quite important. Set the gradient back to 100%. spread the gradient from the top to the middle. And then you want to do the same thing with the bottom to the middle. Sorry about that again. That's TeamSpeak again. There you've got the effect. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Please check out the website. Well, it's not my website, but it's adrianstech.com. I do blog posts there. It's really great. Also, check me out on the Adrian's Tech TeamSpeak server. I'm on there a lot. Adrian's on right now. I'm on right now. Romar, Matt, yeah, they're all on now. Go and check it out. And that is the end of the tutorial. Oh, also check out my YouTube, youtube.com/tscal123 for videos. and also check out my Twitter, twitter.com/tscal123. And that's the end of the tutorial. Bye.